In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Desi Health TV. Today I'm going to share with you an incredible weight loss drink, friends, that will help flush out cholesterol from your entire body. This drink will not only help reduce the high cholesterol levels in your blood, but it will also target belly fat. You know, that stubborn fat around your midsection, the excess fat that accumulates there. This drink will be extremely effective in eliminating that, I promise you. God willing, my goal is always to provide you all with the best remedies possible. In fact, over the past 7 or 8 years, I've consistently strived to give you the most effective solutions. I'm proud to say that in all this time, I haven't received a single complaint from any of my subscribers. So, let's get started with today's video. As you might hear, it's raining outside, and the weather is affecting my recording a bit. I hope you can still hear me clearly. You can probably hear the sound of the rain in the background, right? Well, let's continue. In this cool, rainy weather, we're going to make a refreshing cold drink. It's truly amazing, and you'll only need a few ingredients to make it. The first and most important ingredient you'll need is a lemon. Just one will do. And then you guys need to take 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Take a bowl, that's fine. In it, you need to make a garlic paste. Just mash 1 or 2 cloves, that's fine. After that, you need to take a glass of water, okay? Now let me explain the procedure. You have to add this garlic paste to the water. Now don't say, man, I can't drink this. Listen, sometimes you have to do something unpleasant to get results, okay? This might be your first time trying it, alright? Here's how you drink it. You're not going to sip it slowly. Don't try to taste it at all. Take a deep breath, hold your nose, and just drink it down in one go, okay? Now we'll add some more ingredients. Add some clove and lemon. Add half a lemon, mix it again, and remember, don't add any sugar or anything else to it. You need to cover it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes, you need to uncover it and drink it, alright? The best time to drink this is in the morning. On an empty stomach, drink it, and then wait for 20 minutes before having your breakfast. Another way to use this is if you can't drink it in the morning, you can have it at night. People have eaten their meal about an hour ago, and now it's time for you all to drink this. Alright, this is how you use it. Friends, it's a really great drink with amazing benefits. It completely eliminates cholesterol and will make your body absolutely slim and smart. That's right, it also works wonders for reducing face fat. So friends, this is a very effective remedy. I hope you all will like it. Use it and enjoy its benefits. Please subscribe to my channel for the next video and allow me to say goodbye until the next video. Take care.